shut it down. Now we'll fire it back up. Bob Robbins will line up to see what he's got right now. The toxic truck with a 20. Here's your leader. Safety official shutting the truck off as he was standing straight up, coming towards the grandstands. No control when they're in the air like that for a safety reason. Jeremy Whaley, one of our tech officials, hitting the RII radio and shutting him off with a great slap wheelie. Unfortunately, the angle coming towards the crowd, just a safety issue, so we'll shut him off. We will refire him. He will get a chance to hit the cars going the other way. Once again, the advantage of having that remote ignition interrupter is at any time, if we feel there's a safety concern, we can shut that truck off instantly.